Among small SUVs, Toyota RAV4 stands out thanks to its incredible and varied lineup. From its off-road focused grades to its sport-themed grades, there's a model for every driver. For 2024, RAV4 returns with a 9-grade lineup spread across gas, hybrid electric vehicle, and plug-in hybrid EV powertrains, plus a choice of front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive configurations. The Woodland Edition returns with even more features for this year, adding even more appeal to RAV4's hybrid EV grades. Style takes center stage too, thanks to the new two-tone army green exterior color on Woodland Edition, Adventure, and TRD off-road grades. With all that said, let's take a closer look and learn more about RAV4. RAV4 boasts impressive performance on and off the pavement. This starts with its standout powertrains. Gas grades are powered by a 203 horsepower 2.5-liter four-cylinder, while hybrid EV grades use an electrified version of the same engine generating 219 net combined horsepower. At the top of the pack is RAV4 Prime with a plug-in hybrid EV system generating a robust 302 net combined horsepower. As a result, RAV4 Prime is among the quickest Toyota vehicles available, with a 0 to 60 mph time of under 6 seconds. On the other hand, RAV4's TRD off-road grade enhances off-road performance with increased ground clearance, TRD-tuned suspension, and Falcon all-terrain tires. Plus, the available multi-terrain select system ensures RAV4 can get through tough trails by optimizing the vehicle based on the terrain it's driving on. For better on-road handling, RAV4 also has that covered thanks to its standard sport-tuned suspension on the Hybrid SC and Hybrid XSC grades. What's more, RAV4 has 3 available all-wheel drive systems, including dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive on the TRD off-road, limited, and adventure grades, as well as electronic on-demand all-wheel drive on hybrid EV and prime plug-in hybrid EV grades. RAV4 Hybrid EV also includes a trail mode, which controls braking, drive force control, and the electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system, enabling it to operate similarly to a vehicle with front, rear, and center limited slip differentials, enhancing traction when conditions require it. Best of all, RAV4 is impressively efficient with up to an EPA estimated 30 miles per gallon combined rating on gas models. RAV4 Hybrid EV, on the other hand, has up to an EPA estimated 39 miles per gallon combined rating. Finally, RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid EV has an EPA estimated 94 mpge combined rating and offers an EPA estimated 42 miles of driving range in EV-only mode. RAV4's chiseled looks highlight its distinctly sporty yet rugged character. From its standard LED exterior lighting to the available 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels, RAV4 stands out in every grade. That's most apparent in its off-road and sport-oriented grades, some of which are available with eye-catching two-tone exterior colors. Woodland Edition and TRD Off-Road up the ante even more with 18-inch TRD flow-formed wheels finished in bronze and matte black respectively. The former also includes blackout badging and a unique Woodland Edition decal, identifying it as the off-road focused hybrid grade. That's not all. The available power liftgate adds an extra layer of convenience to this stylish SUV, while an available panoramic glass roof opens up the cabin to the outside world. TRD Off-Road and Woodland Edition further enhance RAV4's versatility thanks to their standard raised roof rails, which also include crossbars on the latter. RAV4's interior is all about versatility and comfort. Behind the second row, this small SUV has up to 37.6 cubic feet of cargo space, which can expand up to 69.8 cubic feet with the standard 60-40 split fold-down rear seats dropped. RAV4 is as practical as it is attractive. In addition to its flexibility, RAV4 is packed with many available conveniences, including an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat with 2-position memory, available heated and ventilated front seats, available heated outboard rear seats, and available dual-zone automatic climate control, all of which enhance passenger comfort, making RAV4 the ideal small SUV for those long trips or that next adventure. That doesn't stop there. RAV4 also includes features like the available smart key system, which makes it easier to enter and exit the vehicle, and the available heated steering wheel, which is perfect for those cold early morning commutes. All of these conveniences are further complemented by Rav4's tech, turning it into the ideal all-around vehicle. When it comes to technology, Rav4 is absolutely packed, featuring a standard 8-inch or an available 10.5-inch touchscreen. Toyota's latest audio multimedia platform includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Select grades also come with trials to Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. Furthermore, an available 11-speaker JBL premium audio system enhances the multimedia experience by playing tunes with impressive clarity. What's more, an available 12.3-inch LCD multi-information display and an available 10-inch head-up display puts key information in the driver's line of sight, giving Rav4 a high-tech feel. Finally, up to 5 standard USB ports and available Qi-compatible wireless charging help ensure everyone is covered when it comes to keeping mobile devices juiced. Rav4's tech story continues thanks to its impressive driver assistance and safety features. Gas and hybrid EV grades come standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5. While Rav4 Prime plug-in hybrid EV includes Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus. These active safety suites include advanced features like a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. Plus, available features like blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, front and rear parking assist with automatic braking, and a panoramic view monitor helps see what's surrounding the vehicle, especially in tight spaces. Thanks to its expansive lineup, Rav4 has mass appeal. From its practicality to its capability, it checks off all the right boxes, resulting in an attractive and well-rounded small SUV that does it all. Add in that every Rav4 comes with Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance, and 2-year unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance, and the value proposition only gets stronger. Plus, Rav4 Hybrid EV and Rav4 Prime Plug-in Hybrid EV also includes an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first, making the electrified variants a great choice for the long haul. When all of these factors are considered along with Toyota's reputation for quality, durability, and reliability, it's clear why Rav4 is a leader among small SUVs. Discover Rav4 today at toyota.com/Rav4.